Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty in IGNOU MBA of Indira Gandhi National Open University. And today I have taken third semester subjects where it has got specialization of human resource management area. And in the third semester, you have 7 courses to be studied, and they are MMPC-015 Research Methodology for Management Decisions, MMPC-16 International Business Management, MMPP-001 Project Course, equivalent to 2 courses, and one has to take 4 courses with respect to human resource management area specialization is concerned. And the subject and the course are MMPH-001 Organizational Theory and Design, MMPH-002 Human Resource Development, MMPH-004 Industrial and Employment Relations, MMPH-007 Compensation and Reward Management. The new MBA course being afresh from 2022 and 23, the examinations for these subjects are yet to take place in the due course. In the meantime, I have selected the assignments of all these subjects, and today I am giving you the questions that are being appearing in the assignments of Research Methodology for Management Decision, the course MMPC-015, and one of the questions in the assignments is going to be answered by me in the next video. Now, I have taken up the assignment for the current year, and it has, before going to the assignment, I would just mention as to which are all the blocks that are there and what are all the topics in each of the units of those blocks. So, Research Methodology for Management Decisions, MMPC-015, Block 1 has got Introduction to Research Methodology, Unit 1, Research Methodology, an overview, Unit 2, Steps for Research Process, Unit 3, Research Designs, Block 2, Data Collection and Measurement, Unit 4, Methods and Techniques of Data Collection, Unit 5, Attitude, Measurement and Scales, Unit 6, Questionnaire Designing, Unit 7, Sampling and Sampling Designs, Block 3, Data Presentation and Analysis, Unit 8 is Data Processing, Unit 9 is Statistical Analysis and Interpretation of Data, Non-Parametric, Unit 10, Multivariate Analysis of Data. Block 4 is Report Writing and Presentation, Unit 11, Ethics in Research, Unit 12, Substance of Reports, Unit 13, Formats of Reports, and Unit 14 is Presentation of a Report. This subject is a prerequisite before a student is going to write his project report. It is a compulsory paper that need to be attended to by the students before they go into preparing a fieldwork report. And the very purpose of research methodology and MMPP-001 is to find out to what extent the student has been able to understand the subjects that have been taught to him, in particular of specialization area he has taken. And as far as human resource management is concerned, he need to take such subjects which are related to that, and that is how the things are. And with respect to the research methodology as a theory, I am going to give you the questions of the assignment of the current year, and one of them will be answered in the next video. The question paper is: attempt all the questions and submit to the coordinator of your study center. Last date of submission for July 2022 session is 31st October 2022, and for January 2023 session is 30th April 2023. The first question is: what is research? Discuss the various types of research with suitable examples. What are the functions and goals of research design? Discuss different types of research designs. Write a short note on the following: methods of data collection, the Likert scale, non-probability sampling methods, ethics in research. Describe in brief the importance of editing, coding, classification, tabulation, and presentation of data in the context of the research study. The fifth question is: what is regression analysis? In what ways can multiple regressions be used to forecast some industries' sales? Discuss the steps involved in conducting regression analysis. Here, in the assignment, you have your own time to answer these questions, and then the very fact that whether it is in the assignment or in the term and examination, you are supposed to ensure that minimum 600 words are being used in your answer so as to get the maximum marks in the assignment as well as in the term and examination. Whenever the assignments are answered, out of 100 fixed for the assignment, 30% of that will be taken for adding up it into the term and examination. And in the term and examination, out of 100 marks, 70% of that will be taken and added to assignment marks that is scored by the student, and both put together will become the total marks for that particular corresponding subject, and you will be declared accordingly. And if you fare better in the assignments, we are very sure that you will be able to get at least 80 to 90 in the assignment, out of which 24 to 25 can be your marks that can be adjusted against your term and examination. Here, you need to ensure that how best you can make yourself comfortable to answer the questions in 500 to 600 words. And normally, in a question paper that is there in the term and examination, it will have 180 minutes, in the sense it will have 3 hours, out of which you are supposed to answer 5 questions. These 5 questions will require minimum 30 to 35 minutes, and a student will be able to write around 600 to 650 words in 35 minutes. Therefore, I have given here answer to the extent of 650 to 700, so that you will be able to read those things and try to memorize at least 500 to 550 words, so as to see that you will be able to answer to the maximum extent the corresponding questions that are going to be asked in the term and examination. Thank you. All the best.